Strengthening your contracts. Long contracts don't always mean higher value. From a buyer's perspective, value comes from visibility and flexibility. Long-term contracts can be a positive, but if pricing can't adjust or terms are locked too tightly, they can actually increase risk and reduce valuation. Start by reviewing the length of your customer contracts. Very long commitments, 3 years or more, can become a problem if pricing becomes outdated or there's limited flexibility. Buyers want confidence in future revenue, but they also want reassurance that contracts can adapt to market conditions. One sensible approach is to build in annual price increases linked to an inflation index, which keeps pricing aligned with rising costs over time. This is common across sectors like mobile telecoms, commercial property, and cloud services. At the same time, take a close look at your supplier contracts. Where possible, move away from monthly rolling arrangements and lock key suppliers in for at least 3 months. This is especially important for core infrastructure and platforms, services such as Wasabi or Azure, where long-term commitments can significantly reduce costs when purchased up front. It's also worth tightening up on long-term commitments, including property leases, utilities, and key service agreements. Clear terms and predictable costs reduce risk, and lower risk almost always translates into a stronger valuation.